Hey guys, Stephanie here, and today we're going to take a look at the PowerStop Z23 Evolution Sport Brake Rotor and Pad Kit for 2009 and newer RTs and 2011 and newer SEs and XXTs with dual piston front calipers. This kit includes the Z23 brake pads for front and rear and rotors all the way around. You're going to want to be checking this kit out if you're looking for a direct replacement upgrade for your rotors and pads that'll give you some increased braking power for your daily driver, and you want a low dust upgrade. You should also be checking this kit out if you're looking for that upgrade at a budget-friendly price. This kit costs about $360 and it's going to be one of the most affordable upgrade kits for the dual piston calipers. I'm going to call the install a 2 out of 3 wrenches on the difficulty meter and say that since they are a direct replacement, this is something that can be done at home if you have the knowledge and tools to do so. With this kit, you're getting your front and rear rotors and front and rear brake pads that are a slight upgrade over your factory brakes. This kit is ideal for street use and daily driving. The rotors are one piece and slotted and drilled, and the pads are ceramic with carbon fiber. The ceramic pads give low dust, and the carbon fiber gives strength to the compound and it gives you more stopping power. The kit is designed to give you better stopping power and produce minimal dust. It's backed by a 3-year, 36,000-mile warranty. So if we take a look at the rotors, we can see right away that they're a one-piece rotor just like your factory rotors. They're premium cast iron and machined to follow OE clearances. They're also zinc plated, and that helps to fight against corrosion and keeps the rotors looking nice. Of course, the rotors are both slotted and drilled, and this helps to keep them well ventilated. It also keeps the braking smooth. The slotting and drilling is a form of ventilation for the rotors. It helps to reduce brake temps and gives the gas and dust that's made during braking a place to go to. The brake pads are going to be the other piece of the puzzle. The material of the brake pad is going to make a difference in the kind of performance that you get, what type of rotors you need, and how much dust you'll get, how long the brakes will last, and the noise level. Once again, this kit is about improving stopping power, producing low levels of dust, having a long life, and a smooth and silent operation for daily driven street cars. So PowerStop gives you a ceramic brake pad with this kit that has some carbon fiber in the compound. The ceramic compound is already a harder compound than others that are out there, and adding the carbon fiber makes it even stronger. The harder compound is how you get more stopping power with less brake fade and less dust. Sometimes when you switch to a harder compound brake pad, you end up with noisy brakes. That isn't the case with these pads, and these aren't going to be harsh on your rotors either. Semi-metallic pads, on the other hand, are known to be harsh on the rotors, but ceramic pads aren't. So you'll have a long life with the pads and the rotors with very low dust levels. So when it comes to the install, it's not extremely time consuming, but you are going to want to have a little bit of knowledge in order to do this yourself. I'm going to call the install a 2 out of 3 wrenches on the difficulty meter. If you guys are interested in this kit, you can always check it out more online right here at AmericanMuscle.com.